So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to remove background noise during a phone call on your OnePlus 13. So if you go into settings and then under settings, go to sounds and vibration, tap on that, and then scroll down to the microphone mode. You should see the option clear voice. So it says this will filter out background noise when you're on a call. So you can tap on that and then you can enable the function, and then you can choose which apps you want it enabled for. So you have the calling app, which is a default call app for making phone calls and receiving phone calls. You can do it on WhatsApp calls or any other app that you might have that you can make calls on. So with this feature enabled, it's going to try and eliminate background noise and sounds when you're in an active phone call. It's almost like the iPhone's voice isolation feature. So that should work, and that's how you can enable it or disable it. Now you can have it enabled, but then disable it for specific apps. If you find that specific apps are not working well with this feature, you can turn them off for specific apps or turn them on. But this one turns it off for all calls, and that one turns it on for everything. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.